Quadratics, page 11. For each of the following quadratics, write the quadratic in the form, vertex form, without using technology. State the coordinates of the vertex, find the y-intercept, sketch the graph of the quadratic, use technology to check your answers, sketch the graph of the quadratic. Okay, so we're going to do F. In order to write the quadratic in the vertex form without technology, we have two choices. One is that we could complete the square, and the other is we could find the vertex using the axis of symmetry and then plugging in for y. Let's try to do that first. So let's see. So for f, let's find the axis of symmetry first. It's y equals negative b over 2a, which would be negative of negative 5, because a is going to be negative 2, b is going to be negative 5, and c is going to be 3. All over 2 times negative 2, so that would be 5 over negative 4. So our, I'm sorry, this should be x. Okay, so the x-coordinate of the vertex is negative 5 fourths. What would be the y-coordinate be? It would be negative 2, negative 5 fourths squared, minus 5, negative 5 fourths, plus 3. So negative 5 fourths squared would be 25 sixteenths times 2, negative 2, plus 25 fourths plus 3, 8. So 25 fourths minus 25 eighths, that would give us positive 25 eighths, plus 3, 25 eighths plus 24 eighths, because 3 is 24 eighths, be 49 eighths. Okay. So the y is 49. So the vertex is going to be negative 5 fourths, 49 eighths. And what else do we need? So that's the vertex. The y-intercept, we would put 0 in for the x, and then we would see what we get out. So that would be y equals 0 plus 3. So the y-intercept is just 3. Y-intercept. And then they want us to sketch the graph. Okay. And since the a is negative 2, we know that it opens down, and it's probably kind of skinny. So let's see. So the y-intercept, this is going to be the origin. The y-intercept is going to be 0, 3. It's right there. The vertex is going to be negative 5 fourths, maybe like about there. 49 eighths. 49 eighths is 6.125. 6.125, about there. Okay, so that already gives us the basic shape. We can see it is a skinny parabola. Let's see, negative 5 fourths. So the other part would be at about 2.5. Yeah, like that, kind of like that. Okay, and let's see, I think there's one more on this page. Oh, and the other thing we were going to do is we were going to confirm this graph here using technology. So we're going to put the formula in here, negative 2x squared minus 5x minus 5x plus 3. Then we graph it. Yeah, it looks kind of flat, but let's zoom. And we'll zoom fit, which is option 0. Well, let's check our vertex here, okay? We could do that with trace. Let me put in negative 5 fourths. Negative 5/4 is negative 1.25. But negative 1.25, and we'll see what we'll get out for the y. 6.125. Yep, that's right. It gave me the same point. It gave me negative 5/4, and it gave me 6.125. So yes, I confirmed that it looks the same. Although it looks fat here, it's because it's just scaled funny. Okay. Now let's go and do the other one. Use the graphing package of your graphics calculator to determine the vertex of each of the following functions. Then write it in vertex form. So let's see. We'll put in the negative 2x squared minus 10x. So instead of negative 5x, I'm going to put 10x, and then I'm going to put plus 1. And then I'm going to graph. Okay, and I need to zoom a little bit better there. Zoom, let me do zoom standard, which is 6. Whoops, not tall enough. Now let me do zoom, I don't know, let me do window. And then I'll put y max of about 20. That should be okay. Oops, y max of 20. 20. And graph. Okay. Vertex. So what's the vertex? I'll do a second calc in maximum. If I find the maximum, I will be finding the vertex. Left bound. So I want to go all the way to the left of the vertex. This is a lot easier to do on a real calculator than on the emulator. Okay. There we go. So the max is negative 2.5, comma 13.5. So I found that the vertex is negative 2.5, comma 13.5. And now I'm going to write it in this form because I have almost everything I need. I put negative 2.5 there. I put 13.5 there. And then the only thing I'm missing is the a. But the a is already here, right? That's already the a. So I just copy the a down. Negative 2, x minus a negative 2.5. So I'll put x plus 2.5 squared plus 13.5. Y equals. Okay, and that's it.